Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shrishti, and today we'll be making Among Us characters and turning them into keychains. So we're making Among Us characters with fuse beads. Fuse beads are like beads you need to design on a pegboard and then iron them, and then they'll fuse together to form an image like this. This is a donut. So let's begin, and it'll be really fun making those. For this video, we'll need some black perler beads, some white and light blue perler beads, and other colored perler beads of your choice. And here I've taken a jump ring and 2 keychain holders for my creation. I'm gonna turn my creation into a keychain. So according to that, I took these, and if you don't want to make them a keychain creation, you don't need these. Now our character is all ready to iron. Let's go and iron it. Our iron is all hot and the speed is 3 or medium, and now we're gonna slowly and here I put a plastic sheet so the beads don't stick to my iron. Please do the same, or you can also use the baking paper. And slowly in circular motions, we will iron it until you see the beads fusing together. They'll just stick to the plastic sheet nicely, and you see these sticking to the plastic sheets. So the same way, we just need to continue doing this. Few beads are not attached yet. So our ironing for this side is all done. Let's move on to the next slide. And here I removed the pegboard, and I'm using another plastic sheet on top and iron it as we did before. You can also keep it like this, but I like it fully ironed from both sides. You can over melt it until it's nice and flat, but I like to give it a bit shape so I can put stuff and the middle dots are still there. And here you go, it's ready. So now you need to put it between a weight for almost at least for half an hour, so it's nice and flat. My Among Us character is all ready. Now we need to put the jump ring on it. I'm putting it right here on this corner, like so. You just need to twist it around, and then I am using this keychain holder and putting this through, and just need to close it. I just used my hand, and then ooh la la, you got your Among Us keychain. Let's move on to our second project. And again, the speed of the iron is 3, which is medium. Just want the same steps. And my Among Us meat is also ready, and I'm gonna put this keychain holder in it, and I'm gonna put it right here. It takes a bit pressure to get through, but it's really easy. Just pull it through. And you just need to clip it down, which I'm not doing right now. I love these, and it was so fun to make them. I'm also obsessed with them. So if you like these two, like this video and share it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications too. Till then, take care, bye bye.